And esteemed members of the Maritime Fraternity, good afternoon. May I request the members of the Planning and Strategy Subcommittee to please come on stage. The 9 members of the Planning and Strategy Subcommittee have contributed in numerous ways to enhance the purpose of this subcommittee. May I now introduce the Dream Team, Ms. Preeti Singh, General Manager, Nautic Fleet Private Limited, Ms. Apurva Mehta, Partner A&B Legal, Ms. Delphine Estebero, Joint CEO, Marex Media Private Limited, Dr. Roshali Rampure, HOD Academics, Manet MIT ADT University, Ms. Shilpa Bali, Training Superintendent, Fleet Management Limited, Ms. Ishita Chattopadhyay, Managing Director and CEO, Confidence Shipping Group, and we also have Captain Suneha Gadpande, Marine and HSEQ Superintendent, Hafnia Group, and Ms. Suniti Bala, co-founder, International Women Seafarers Foundations, who are currently overseas and couldn't join us today, and yours truly, Ms. Aarti Narayanan, Director of ABS Marine Services Limited. Thank you, ladies, for your invaluable support. May I request you to kindly take your seats in the audience. So the Planning and Strategy Subcommittee had its first meeting on 10th of December 2024. The meetings were scheduled every Friday at 12 noon IST, and 13 meetings have been held till date. In brief, the goals of the subcommittee are to plan, conceptualize, review, and monitor the complete concept of Sagar Mein Saman as a project, to periodically review the goals and objectives of the other subcommittees, to conduct a gap analysis to ensure integration, to provide support as and when required, and to monitor timelines to ensure targets are achieved and cohesiveness is maintained amongst the subcommittees to meet the overall timelines of Sagar Mein Saman. Moving on to the actions undertaken by the Planning and Strategy Subcommittee, the budget and goals of the subcommittee were finalized and forwarded to the Management Committee on 10th January 2025. The goals of the other subcommittees were reviewed to ensure alignment with the terms of reference. As regards contributing queries for the survey requested by the Research and Development Subcommittee, it was decided that the scope of this committee is to review intra-subcommittee activities, and therefore such activity did not fall within our scope. Further, the members of the Planning Subcommittee were tasked with periodical review of minutes of meetings of other subcommittees. The minutes were uploaded on a Google Drive, which enabled easy access and reference for the members. Gap analysis was conducted, and suggestions were communicated to the respective subcommittees. Consolidated observations from December 2024 to April 2025 were submitted to the Management Committee on 28th of April 2025. The subcommittee took on the additional task of reviewing the terms of reference of Sagar Mein Saman. The overlap of activities between the various subcommittees was streamlined. A comparative format of the original terms and a draft recommendations was created and reviewed on 3rd April 2025. Final recommendations were circulated to the nodal coordinators on 12th of April 2025. Additionally, the subcommittee has submitted a draft SOP on expenditures and record keeping to the Management Committee due to the reassignment of members of the Operations and Logistics Subcommittee to other subcommittees. With regard to the creation of a database for women seafarers, the covering letter, consent format, and the profile format was created and rolled out as of 1st of April 2025. The subcommittee has also been involved in providing documentation and logistical support for events held under the Sagar Mein Saman banner. To conclude, I would like to thank Captain Daniel Joseph for being a constant source of encouragement, Mrs. Joshi for being an erudite leader and an inspiration, the members of the Planning Subcommittee for their enthusiastic participation, the nodal coordinators for their support, and the entire task force for their commitment to the cause of empowering women in this industry. Thank you for this opportunity, and thank you all for listening. Namaste.
Thank you, Aarti.